Alright, so as you can see, today doing a carpet cleaning with the Bissell commercial grade, the green vacuum cleaner, the carpet cleaner, which I'll show you in a minute. There's some heavy stain and traffic on the floor here. As you can see there, we got a number of spaghetti stains, I think that's what it looks like, and other things that we tried to get up but may have missed. Some traffic there from the door that goes to the outside. This appears just to be some heavy dirt and wear at the entryway. And what I'm using to spot treat this is this Pet Pro Oxy Stain Destroyer. You can get this on Amazon. I think it's about $10 or so, maybe less. But that's what I'm using to spot treat all this, and then we'll see if that comes up. This is the Bissell Big Green. This is what I'm using. Just push the water button down with your hand and just pull it back. Slow, suck all that water up. It's already looking pretty good, but we'll have to see after it dries how all this turns out. Alright, well, as you can see, it made quite a bit of difference on the carpet. A lot of those spots came up. You won't ever really know until it's completely dry exactly how much came up, but you can always treat it and go back over it again in certain spots. You will see black debris, hair, and other particles and dust balls and things like that just come up with it. But then once it dries completely, got the fan running on it pretty good. May use another drying fan on the floor, but once it's dry in a few hours, I'll run the vacuum cleaner over it again and just finish it out, and then I'll check and see if there's any additional spots that need treatment, and rinse and repeat. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.